Hey guys, how are you doing? And welcome back to another awesome video. So today I will be sharing with you some amazing recipes, or rather what we had in a day. And I have to admit that cooking sometimes is so hectic, and my son has been sick for some times and is finding it hard to eat. So taking care of him has been my paramount job. I actually do hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. And in case you're new here, feel most welcome. My name is Phoebe Monicah, and this channel is all about home cleaning, home organization, and home decor, and also cooking some amazing dishes. Kindly do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be notified. And if the video impresses you, kindly give it a thumbs up. So for breakfast, I started off by frying the sausages, and by the way, I never deep fry the sausages. I prefer to shallow fry them on a low heat. It doesn't matter how long it takes for them to be ready, but I prefer this to dipping them in a lot of oil.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Without giving a warning, I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. So meet me in the crowd. Everything is so loud. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way.
I want to start on preparing dinner. It's around 5:30, and since we had breakfast a little bit late, I didn't bother for lunch. We just had some snacks. So what I want to do now is to start on dinner so that at least by 8 everything is ready. our dinner is ready, and I finished at around 8:30. It took me longer than I thought it would, but I'm glad that I did, and this food was awesome. I really did love it. And thank you so much for joining me and for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one.